before we start, I want to give a shout out to the best school on the planet, JCSU. That's my HBCU, you know.
Love, someone caught away, man. The shit I'm cooking, know you got a taste, fam.
Hello, good people. Welcome back to my channel. It's Soph with Purp by the Curl. Today, we are going to trim these raggy ends. You see that? Oh, girl, look at that. Look at that. Don't look good, don't look good. Let me start off by saying I am not a professional, so this is how I trim my ends. Of course, I do have a dedicated hairstylist. It's just right now I don't have time to get to her. She's like an hour and a half away, but she's worth it. So I'm going to go ahead and trim my ends until I set my appointment. So don't come for me about saying you're not supposed to cut it that way, you're not supposed to do it this way. Okay. I've been doing my hair since 2014 before I even had a dedicated hairstylist, and it's always been healthy, and I always dust these ends off, honey. So let's make it do what it do. Again, I am not no hair guru, I'm not no professional, I just do what works for my head. So I start off with a small section in the back, comb it through. Look at my ends, y'all. Ugh. So I comb through it and I run my hand along, and if you can see, my ends look terrible. So I'll probably end up taking off a good little bit, which is not a problem for me because my hair grows back. I'm not out here trying to get waist length hair. I just want healthy hair in a big fro. So I just trim off all the raggy ends. And then you'll be able to see the difference once I do one half of my head compared to the other. Oh, and make sure that you're using shears, not regular scissors. Before you finish hack your damn hair up, then you be out here saying, I told you to do your hair like that. No, I didn't, sis. Get some shears. I'm trying to make sure. Now look at how much better that looks. I probably could dust that piece one more time because them ends still looking full, but look at how that looks compared to that. So much better, right? So I'm going to come back to you guys once I do this half of my head and show you the comparison to that half. All right, I'm back. So I have clipped this side of my hair. As you can see, it's not all see-through anymore compared to this side. So hopefully you can see a difference because I can. And this one has more of a shape and this side is just wild. So I'm going to go ahead and clip this side. I'm gonna try to record this, but being on camera and trying to clip my ends is not easy. So yeah. So I'm gonna cut all of that. This is so hard to do on camera. When I'm in my mirror, I just get done. feel like I could cut a little bit more. And as I said, I don't care about my hair being super long as my ends, long as it's healthy and thick. So I cut whatever I feel and deem is dead and keep it moving. This is what we looking like. This side of my hair is a little more poofy because I didn't really blow dry my roots as straight as this side, but whatever. Now we have some type of shape back. Ow. What I may end up doing is going back off camera and finish dusting my ends off a little bit more, because I feel like over here I could do a little bit more cutting, but it will help my twist outs and wash and goes to last longer. Also, by cutting my ends, I will no longer get those little knots that come at the end of my curls. I won't be shedding everywhere. Like, my hair sheds like crazy when I need to cut it and when it needs a treatment. So I've done a treatment and I've cut my ends, so my curls should be popping for December. So if you don't cut your dead ends off, then your hair is just gonna keep splitting up the shaft. It's not gonna be thick. It's just gonna be raggy. Who want raggy hair? I don't want raggy hair. You want raggy hair? She must want raggy hair. She won't let her cut it off. So when you go to different stylists and they tell you that your ends need to be clipped, let them clip it. If you feel unsure, ask them to let you watch in the mirror to see how much they're clipping. A person like me, you could cut an inch off my hair. I'm fine, because it's gonna grow back. I've told my stylist that before. Just cut whatever is dead, give nice little shape, and keep it moving. But you heard it here first. Clip your ends, sis. If you want healthy hair, sis. Okay, all right. Signing off. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Join the Purp gang. See y'all in my next video.